If you want to block someone on Crunchyroll, follow these simple steps to manage your interactions effectively. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Crunchyroll website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar or username, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Access friends lists. In your profile settings, look for the friends or connections section. Click on it to view your current friends and connections. Step 4. Find the user to block. Scroll through your friends list or use the search function to locate the user you wish to block. Click on their profile to access more options. Step 5. Block the user. On the user's profile page, look for the option to block or remove them. Confirm your choice when prompted to successfully block the user. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Crunchyroll and enhance your viewing experience. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section on the website.